What if I told you that you could generate viral AI tweets complete with custom images and post them to Twitter automatically without writing a single word? In this video, I will walk you through a complete AI powered Twitter automation system that finds trending topics, writes engaging tweets, generate custom images, and posts everything automatically to your Twitter account. This workflow combines Perplexity AI for trend research, GPT-4 for content generation, DALI for image creation, and NA10 for automation, all connected to Google Sheet for tracking. And by the end of this video, you will have a working system that can run on autopilot. Let's dive in. Alright, this workflow has 17 nodes, but don't worry, I will break down each step. Here's what happened. A scheduled trigger kicks off the workflow once per day. Perplexity AI researches trending AI topics from the last 24 hours. The result get passed and stored in Google Sheet. GPT-4 Turbo generates a complete tweet package, hook, body, hashtags, and thread ideas. And DALI 3 creates a custom branding images with test overlay. The images get uploaded to Twitter media servers. Finally, the tweet get posted with the image attached. Everything is looked back to Google Sheet, so you have a content calendar and analytics in one place. Now, let's build it step by step. First, we need to tell NA10 when to run this workflow. I'm using the schedule trigger node set to run every day at 9 a.m. You can adjust this later to run multiple times per day once you are confident in the system. Next up, finding trending topics. This is where Perplexity comes in. It's like ChatGPT, but connected to real-time web data. Here's the prompt I am using. You are a trend researcher for AI and tech content. Return only valid JSL. Find one trending topic in AI, automation, or AI agent from the last 24 hours. It's returned strictly in this form. This forces Perplexity to give us structured data we can work with. AI responses can be messy, so we need to clean them up. That's what the JavaScript node does. It looks for JSON in the response, parses it, and handles error gracefully. If Perplexity doesn't return valid data, we have fallback topics ready to go. You don't need to write this from scratch. I will link the full workflow JSON in the description so you can import it directly. The output is a clean array of topics with 3 fields: topic, angle, and hook, perfect for the next step. Before we generate the tweet, I like to log the topic ideas in Google Sheet. This gives me a content library and lets me manually review topics before they go live. The split out node takes our topics array and creates one exception per topic. Then the append row node saves each one to Sheet 5 in my Twitter spreadsheet. Add a Google Sheet node, authenticate with your Google account, choose append operation, map the field topic, angle, and hook. This step is optional but highly recommended. It gives you full visibility and control. Here's where your content get created. Add an OpenAI node LangChain version. This prompt is critical. I spent weeks refining this. Here's what makes it work. You are an expert in viral Twitter content creation about AI, automation, and agentic system. You have written threads with millions of impressions. This prime GPT-4's persona and user message, the full brief audience for content buckets, structure, rules. Key rules I enforce exactly 270 characters. It's a Twitter's free version. If you have a Twitter Premium, you can do more than 270 characters of your content creation. Must include hook, context, value, CTA, output as JSON for easy parsing, topic from the previous node, and the 4 content buckets keep a variety. Breaking news, use cases, growth hacks, hot takes. GPT-4 randomly picks one, so your feed doesn't feel repetitive. Thus, this node you should get back a JSON object with topic, tweet test, thread, hashtags, status. After this, another code node to parse GPT-4's per another co- after this another code node to parse GPT's for response. This is track tweet test, thread tweets, hashtag, image description. Plus error handling. If JSON parsing fail, it uses a fallback tweet, the output. Clean structured data ready for publishing. After generating the content for the Twitter, we go to our generate image node. Here we have the method post URL these, and for the image generation we are using the OpenAI. And here for the header parameter, we have the content type application slash JSON. So in the JSON, we are giving the model and the prompt. So for the prompt, it is saying that create an image with dark black background, bold white typography text title, and here comes the dynamic title. Style, simple, professional, aspect ratio, 16:9. And after this, we download this image in this HTTP node. Here we are getting this image, and for the URL, we are pasting this URL here. We are converting this file into our base64 string, and here is our string data, and it will be used to get to and this data will be used to upload media in the Twitter. After this, we set here the credentials here. Here it is our URL, that is upload.twitter.com, and we are uploading our media. And here we have the consumer key, consumer secret, SS token secret. And this will you can get it from the Twitter development portal. After this, we will prepare OAuth data. Here we are setting a URL, signature based strings, signing key, authorization, and content time. After this, we upload our media to the Twitter and getting the media idea. So here we are requesting method post URL this upload.twitter.com /1.1/media/upload.json. Format is JSON, and the body content type is form data multipart. Name is media data, and the media data, what is this? This is the step from file from JSON. This is our data, media data. And after this, we are giving our authorization that we have set in our previous node and the content type, that is multipart / form data. After uploading the media to our Twitter, we are getting here the media ID, and here we again having our JSON, which is our URL, signature based tree, signature media IDs, and the headers in which there is authorization and content type. After this, we go to set data, tweet data, and here we are setting our tweet data. URL, we are giving this URL, header is this, authorization, and content type. Test is this. This is the test we are pasting to our Twitter, and the media that we are tweet. The make tweet node sends a post request to Twitter API with tweet test, which is 270 characters, the uploaded media ID or auth headers for authentication. The set tweet data node before it enables everything into the right format. Once this runs successfully, your tweet is live. It includes the AI generated text, custom image, and hashtag. Then the last step is logging everything to Google Sheets. For tracking, the append or update row node saves topic, tweet title, tweet test, thread ideas, hashtags, image URL, status done, and created a timestamp. This gives you complete content calendar, lets you analyze which tweets perform best over time. And that's it. You now have a fully automated Twitter content machine powered by AI. Quick recap: trend research with Perplexity, content generation with GPT-4, image creation with OpenAI, automatic posting with Twitter API, full tracking in Google Sheet. Now, next step is to download the workflow JSON from the description, set up your API keys for the OpenAI, Perplexity, Twitter, Google. Test it manually before scheduling. Monitor your first few tweets and adjust prompts as needed. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I'm making more AI automation tutorial like this every week. Drop a comment if you get stuck or want to see other workflows. Thanks for watching.